As the world is observing the International Women's Day today, miseries of the Kashmiri women inflicted by Indian forces personnel continue unabated in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. According to a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service on the occasion of the Global Day, thousands of women are among 95,981 Kashmiris martyred by Indian state machinery since January 1989. At least 681 women have been assassinated by the troops since January 2001 till date. The report pointed out that Indian troops molested 11,250 women, including the victims of Kunanposhpora mass rape. The report revealed that hundreds of schoolgirls were injured in pallet firing by Indian troops, while many, including 19-month-old Hibba Jan and 2-year-old Nusrat Jan, were blinded. Over a dozen women, including Asiya Indrabi, Fahmida Sofi, Nahida Nasreen, and Naseema Bano, are facing illegal detention for supporting the Kashmiri people's legitimate demand for self-determination. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference and High Court Bar Association, in their statements in Srinagar, said the International Women's Day has no significance for the Kashmiri women as they continue to face victimization at the hands of Indian troops. They said India is using the rape of women in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir as a weapon of war to suppress the Kashmiri's freedom movement. They deplored that thousands of Kashmiri women had no information about the whereabouts of their husbands who were subjected to enforced disappearance by Indian troops. On the other hand, speakers at a seminar organized by All Parties Hurriyat Conference SHJ&K chapter in Islamabad today appreciated the role of Kashmiri women in the ongoing struggle for freedom of Jammu and Kashmir. They urged the international community to help bring honorable and just resolution to the Kashmir dispute to restore the dignity of all Kashmiris, including the tormented women. Meanwhile, protest rallies and a seminar were held under the aegis of Pasbani Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir and Jammu and Kashmir mass movement in Muzaffarabad to draw the attention of world community towards the Indian oppression on women in occupied Jammu and Kashmir. A large number of women carrying banners and chanting anti-India slogans participated in the protest rallies and seminars and vowed to fight Indian occupation come what may. Pakistan, on the International Women's Day today, expressed solidarity with the oppressed women of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Foreign Office spokesperson Asim Iftikhar, in a statement on the occasion, urged the international community to hold India accountable for the serious crimes being committed by its troops in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Senior All Parties Hurriyat Conference leader Professor Abdul Ghani Bhatt, addressing a meeting in Srinagar, said, "War is no solution as it only brings destruction to human societies." He called upon Pakistan and India to start a dialogue process to resolve the long-pending Kashmir dispute once and for all. Hundreds of mourners gathered for the last rites of the girl student Rafia Nazir, who succumbed to her injuries she received in a grenade blast a day earlier in Srinagar. Meanwhile, an Indian soldier was reported missing from Budgam district. A police official confirmed his disappearance and said efforts are on to locate his whereabouts.